The dam's breaking up! We must find high ground! Your only chance is to cross the bridge. It doesn't look safe to me. It's our only chance. If the dam breaks, we'll be done for. We'll follow him on our line. It meets the river further down.
Oh, waterfall! Oh, no!
If we go over that waterfall, we're doomed. We're going to drop a rope to you. Attach it to yourself, quickly now.
Hang on, everyone!
Catch the rope and pull Toby to safety.
1, 2, 3, and pull!
I could never have been so brave, Toby.
Oh, I'm sure you would be, but you never know till you've tried.